one more video in the series of SnapLogic videos. So today I'm going to show you how we can read a data from one source and ingest the data into another target, okay, using SnapLogic. So here we are going to read a data from Azure Blob Storage. Okay, so you can see this is my Azure account and you can see the Azure Blob Storage here. Okay, and then we will be seeing to insert that data as a JSON document into Cosmos DB. Okay, so we'll just look what data that we have. So I have a blob, okay, and inside that blob I have only one file, which is demo call log.csv. Okay, this is a single file and it has around 3000 records. Okay, so if you really look into this, it really like has a few records here. Okay, so that we will be able to, it's a comma separated file, some kind of call log information. Okay, a lot of data here. And I do have my Cosmos DB. Okay, so this is my Cosmos DB, and here you can really see that we have some data related to the databases that I have some kind of collection. Okay, so here I have my DRS test collection. This is my database and my collection here. Okay, all the document will come here. Okay, so we will see the documents that I load. It will actually like appear here. And one key thing I want to mention, as we are integrating this with the SnapLogic, and this is the MongoDB based on version 4.2. One feature I would suggest to enable was retriable writes. If it is not enabled by default, make sure that you enable this. Okay, so that's the key thing. So now let's move on into SnapLogic. So this is the pipeline that I created. Before going into pipeline, a couple of things is how do you read from the Azure Blob? So I'm going to use file reader snap. I'm going to use the WASBS protocol. That's the protocol that we'll be using for uh, Azure reading data from Azure Blob Storage. Okay, and this is the storage account that we create. So we can actually use add account and then choose Azure Storage here. Okay, I already created it. So what I'm going to do was I'm actually like showing you what I created. Okay, let me just get to this. Continue, can cancel. Then I'll show the account here, Azure Storage account. So you can see the Azure Storage account, which is blob store. Okay, and there is an access key grant mechanism I used. Okay, and this is the blob store URL. Okay, so with that, it will able to connect. The other one is Mongo. So you will be using a MongoDB snap. Okay, and similarly, we'll be creating the add using add account and then choosing Mongo. Okay, so if you add and we'll choose MongoDB account. Okay, so as I already choose, I will show you. So this is the MongoDB account and this is the Cosmos URL. Okay, the host name, then the port number, then the credentials for the database name and the credential, and make sure the encryption type that you use is TLS SSL. Okay, that's all like we will be giving here. Okay, so the account is also there. So we read the file. Okay, we basically it's a CSV file. We are using CSV parser. I'm just using head to just take few records. I don't want to ingest all the records into MongoDB. Okay, so I'm just going to insert what I'm doing was the five top entries that I'm getting it from here and inserting into the MongoDB. Okay, and I will also show like in MongoDB we don't have all the records, right? So I showed in the Explorer. Okay, so let's go here, collection, document, and you would see only these four records are there. Nothing more is available here. Okay, just simple hello messages, these kind of things is there. So we will see additional records here once we complete the operation. So I will run this. Okay, so let's run this pipeline. So while running the pipeline, you can also monitor using these statistics here. So the snap statistics will here. So it read the file, okay, and then it passes the file, then head, it completed. We got 5 output document. Then the insert happened, and you can see 5 documents inserted. Okay, if I come back, the 5 documents are inserted now. So we will go back to the blob storage here, okay, and we'll just do a refresh to see all our 5 documents are visible. So you can see all the additional documents got created. We'll see some of this document. So you can see that the document is created here. So whatever I read from the CSV file, it is ingested into the Cosmos DB. That's about it. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.